All right. Good morning. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Sorry for the late start. There was absolutely no way. There was no way I was doing this without coffee. No way. No shot. No shot whatsoever. No shot. No shot whatsoever. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and germs, how are we doing? How are we feeling? I am a couple minutes late here, but it looks like that was a good thing. So let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna mark up the stuff. This is our 15-minute high. This is our 15-minute low. We pushed all the way up, and now we're back here at the bottom. Kind of glad I stayed out of this now. Boom. Take this away. Bow. Take this away. Bow. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry I'm late. Please sound off if you're there. Please, I'd like to hear from you. Are you there? Are you with me? Are you there with me? Brando, what's up, man? Abdul, why is no one here? That's a good question. Up your creatine from 5 milligrams to 20 to 25 milligrams a day. Thank you later. You know, I've been hearing a lot of things from creatine. I hope you didn't mean caffeine there, but I've been hearing good things from creatine. Really good things. All right, guys. Let's get into it. I'm bullish. I am bullish, but my SMAs are kind of messing with me right now. 1, 2, 3. You could have saw a little pop right there, but that's before my time of trading. Good morning. Still early. It's really early. It is really early. I don't even think that... I'm going to let this play out a little bit. I kind of want to stay long in all this, but... I need proof. I need proof that she's going to go the way I want her to go. Still early. Sniper here too. Oh yeah, Brando Sniper, you're burner. the double account, the double man. Oh boy. All right, let's get into it. All right, full port short. Let's go. Win for all of us today, brother. Oh, the pressure. The pressure, fatal. The pressure. Oh, let me sip some coffee first. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. All right, got some caffeine in me. All is right with the world. Okay, so while we're getting closures below this orb right here, I'm going to wait. Let price cool off a little bit. See if she can tip her hand. Maybe we can get a sneaky, kind of sort of large size play somewhere. But if not, you know, I'm cooling. We are cooling. So let me look at the hourly real quick. So the hourly... I already did all of that. I think I want to remain bullish in all this. Yeah, I want to remain bullish in all this. That's a hell of a rejection, though, guys. Came all the way up to this level here. Just like your little TBR thing that I don't know about. Is this your TBR joint? Somebody let me know. I don't know nothing about TBR, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not even about to pretend like I know anything about it. I'm gonna just leave it alone. Okay, guys. So if you don't know, I'm a big fan of having your risk parameters here. Let me just go to that real quick. I think that this is the secret sauce to actually getting payouts. So I set mine to 450 these days. I used to set it at 350. Now I'm starting to think that, you know, that 350 was a little tight, so I set it to 450. That may be a little bit too much, but it is what it is today. And of course I got the liquidate and block, meaning if I hit 450 for the day, just go ahead and lock me out. because yeah, we kind of need to do that. Smooth operator, good morning. The smoothest operator in town, in and around town. Let's go back to the charts for a second. So while we're getting rejected here, I really think I want to sit on hands. Yeah, being bearish is kind of crazy. Oh yeah, Art Vandelay, importer exporter. I forgot about that meme. I think we have 10 a.m. news. Yeah, we got a little orange folder to rock the boat. So let's see what happens in a couple seconds. Immediately my eye is going towards this, but once again, I kind of don't want to be a bear right now. So we'll see. We shall see. Damn, do I have the correct day on here? I have 45, right? Day 45. Yeah, 45. There we go. All right, guys. The name of the game here is patience. Yeah, I know. I got the new funded account, but I'm not gonna put it on a pedestal. It's just an account. Just gonna trade normally. What's my 30 second looking like? 30 seconds trying to push us back down here. So I do see a bearish SBS setting up here, but your SMAs don't agree. So you got 1, 2. There's a nice 3 after taking this low right here. I would love it if you wanted to, you could see something like this right here. If you wanted to play that 3-leg, very risky though. And since I'm kind of on the bullish side, this doesn't seem like the worst idea in the world. So I don't really believe that we'll want to go lower than this. Once again, I have no proof of anything. No proof of concept. Stoic doesn't talk about taking that 3-leg all that often. I think in that very first SBS video, he slightly mentions that you can take 3. It's just not a high quality trade. But it is possible to like take that 3 legs. You got 1, 2, 3. This could be your bottom here. Try and take that up a little bit. Kind of like what we're doing right now. And it's a little too late for me to get in now, so. Alright guys, what do you want to do at these levels? That's the real question. Keeping in mind that this is very, that's what I'm looking for. This is a little bit on the bullish side, guys. Like everything is kind of screaming to stay bullish. Even though we're getting some bear activity at the moment. So being careful. Let me place a dummy trade real quick just to get a feel for volume. This is not a real trade. Just want to see where we're at in the market. Once again, not a real trade.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, volume is in. Volume is in, boys and girls. Volume is kind of in there. That's only 5 micros. The volume is in.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what this 5-minute candle has to say. This music is a little loud in my ear. Kind of like don't want a repeat of yesterday. All right, 1, 2, 3. This is kind of hard here, guys. Lower time frame is bearish, but my higher time frame is bullish. Always makes it kind of hard. Great method to feel out the market before trading such. Absolutely. Absolutely. Once again, just like, just just pressing the button to get that itch off, you know what I'm saying? Plus it gives you a good feel for volume. A lot of us don't really calculate our positions like on the Forex side. So like, I know that if I do get into a trade, probably want to think about like 3 micros at the max. I'm about to get a bullish engulfing here. I may just try it if it engulfs. Might give it a shot. But she's got to engulf, and she's not about to. Looks like she's not about to engulf now. Instant rejection. All right, never mind, boys. There goes that trade idea. Never mind. Never mind. Looks like a little SBS right there, but I don't like it. Personally, I don't like it. I'm over here wasting time trying to mark it up too. But here's your 1 tap, 2 back into the range. Here's your 3. So hard to be bearish here though. 1, 2, 3. I don't like shorting this level, so I'm gonna let that go. Yeah, I'm gonna let that go, boys and girls. Boys and girls. Let's see if that wants to pop up a little bit higher. And whoa, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I could wait another 5 minutes. See what this market wants to do right here. I think I got clapped on this type of market before yesterday, where I was just on the wrong side, and I kept on saying that it's just not a good idea to ever short NASDAQ for real. So if you're shorting NASDAQ, be very careful. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I don't even think she wants to come back down. Ooh wee. I bet ES did what we wanted to do though. Let me see. Oh no, she didn't. She also came down too. Never mind. Wow. Yeah guys, I kinda don't trust the shorts right now. I really don't. Even though my lower time frame says, even though we got a cross right here, I don't trust that. I don't trust that at all. That buy would have been royal though. All right, test in patience, test in patience, test in patience. 50-minute engulfing candle though. Could we see some bearish action? I mean, it's possible. A lot of proof is needed though. Like a lot. Yeah, that's just not in the direction of the trend, guys. It's just not. Hourly looks bullish. We could just get ran over right here. Looks like she's giving us a little bit of juice here, though. Money Glitch, good morning. Trying to see what we want to do right here. 1, 2, 3. Could. Guys, I'm gonna stop looking for shorts here. I'm no longer looking for shorts. Let me see if we can take this long here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do something like that. So once again, I don't want to be a bear here. We got a bullish engulfing too. Yeah, let's see if this candle can come down a little bit and maybe we can entertain some some longs. I got a feeling that she's not going to want to come down for me and pick me up though, but we'll see. But yeah, I don't want to play shorts in this area. Big little move origin here. This thing is huge. That's what she said. All right, guys. So if this punches down, I'll give it a shot. Just gotta punch down though. Yeah, I need a sweep right here. I need a sweep, boys and girls. Will she do it? No sweep for Dre. Damn. Yeah, that's fine. Well played, NASDAQ. Well played, well played, well played. Confidence in this is growing. Bullish engulfing, 5 minute. 5 minute engulfing, crossing here on the 1 minute. Even though we just crossed down on the 1 minute a second ago. I got a little bit of confidence in this. Just need a sweep. That's all. And if not, that's a-okay. I'll see the market tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Oh yeah. Yeah, I would love if this right here gets tagged. All right, so keeping that in mind. Nice here. Having a little bit of trouble in this area. A little bit of indecision 2019. ES is kind of doing what we wanted it to. NQ is being a little NQ about it. If she runs off, it'll be okay, boys. I'll also entertain like an entry like down at this level too, maybe a little 20 test. But it's gotta come down to like these 630s. For me to get involved. I can't long right here. Simply can't long right there. I think ES is the better. ES is kind of, well, not really ES than the sweep either. 1, 2, 3, yeah. O and Q.
Order filled.
Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. Yeah, anyway, I was trying to say that this 5 minute doesn't have a bottom wick. And a lot of times that 5 minute engulfing with no 5 minute bottom wick kind of means that the next 5 minute will try to flip back down. So, yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that. So, break even right there, guys. Break even, BE. BE right there. BE. How long have I been? I gotta get better at that. I'm so zoomed into the charts that I forget that you guys can't hear my commentary if I mute and then unmute sometimes. So my bad. So yeah, the reason for breaking even early right there was this no bottom wick right here. Bearish engulfing, no bottom wick on that next 5. That could definitely just come down to make that bottom wick and then push back up. So I'm gonna wait. I'm going to wait. I probably should have just closed when I saw that, but it's still we're in between. We're in between things right now, so there is that. Appreciate it, Money Glitch. Appreciate it. Kind of want this next 5 minute to make that bottom wick now. It looks like it's not going to. Which kind of would suggest that we want to... Actually, doesn't suggest anything. I'm still trying to stay long biased here. Yeah, I'm going to try and stay long biased here. Letting this be our 4. Yeah, that bearish engulfing was kind of bad news for us. So we may get a little bit more of a punch down here. Something Stoic teaches you, kind of, sorta. It is something in the mentorship. But I've been doing these engulfing patterns way before that. And it is something I like to pay attention to, and I kind of like, I've been looking at it for so long that I know, like, I kind of know when it's going to fail, when it's not going to work, and stuff like that. So that's just a back testing thing and just knowing what to look at. So as you can see, I'm constantly going between the 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, because I want to see how these candles are closing on the 5. So now that now that this 5 minute didn't like push like all the way down, I'm thinking about re-entering the long here. Thinking about it. Wow. All right. NQ said, ready or not, here we come. That is a bearish engulfing. I'm looking at too many time frames. I'm looking at too many time frames right now. Looking at way too many time frames. That 20 is pushing us down a little bit. Alright. Let's let the bears get scared for a second. Alright,
order filled.
I'm gonna try that right there at $70. See if we want to start making new highs again. This could be my stop right here. Kind of want to add to the position, but keeping it small today. Keeping it very light today.
Order filled.
See if we want to get any type of new high here. Might just tighten up stops a little bit. Or the original SBS could be the play. But once again, I just don't feel like being a bear here. That doesn't look too good. Might just bail early. Who knows, Sir Secker? You might be right. Yeah, hit the move origin and we don't want to go anywhere. That 30-second is fucking with us. All right. Oh, sorry. I can't get my 5 right here. I can't touch my 5. Touch the 5. There we go. All right, 5 here. Might just tighten up stops a little bit. If this is true or not.
Order filled.
Adding one right there. Don't make me a liar, NASDAQ. I'll tighten up stops right there. I don't like that rejection. Yeah, that's as far as I would want that to go down. Yeah, I don't think she likes us. That's a bearish engulfing. Dude, what is going on? Alright. That's fine. First idea is always the correct one. But let's see if we can at least test some of these highs right here. Like, come on. How much do we need for that? New high right there would be lovely if we can get it. If we can get a closure above here on the 1 minute, that'd be great. Small little closure there on the 1 minute. Still holding here, guys. Still holding. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Am I being greedy for asking for a new high? I don't think so. Come on.
Order filled.
We'll take some partials right there. And I'm gonna let the rest rock. Good job, guys. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Stay patient. Proud of you. How long will I let this next micro rock? I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna take profit right there. I'm gonna get on base. I'm gonna get on board, and that's going. I would love for this to be my. Well, it wouldn't be my one and done, but it could be like my two and done. I don't know. But letting the rest of that one rock. Look, same trade yesterday I shared. Yeah. So this market is kind of whipsawy. So I kind of want to close it, just take my money and run, but I don't know. Yeah, like that's. See, this is what I was referring to. So glad we took profit right there. Glad we took profit. Glad we took profit. Glad we took profit. This could be Sirsecker shorts right here too. This is one of those markets where, you know, if you're in the correct spot, you can kind of play both sides. I'm gonna hold the last runner though, against my will. But I do see shorts here. I see longs here. It just depends on how you wanna play the market. This could be like that 5 tap to go lower. And of course, here we go. I think this may stop us out here at break even. Look at that placement there, guys. Appreciate that sniper, Brando sniper. This is gonna hit us out at break even. Do we got a 5-minute engulfing? We do. Probably could have added there actually. Yeah, we probably could have added there, boys and girls. Probably could have added. Is this gonna just probably smack us out by a tick? I do not want to add to this position. I think I'm fine. And stop in progress. Appreciate that sniper, Brando sniper. Appreciate it, my guy. No, we're gonna we took 2 trades today. Let's just stay with the 1 micro. Let's just stay with the 1 micro. There's a lot of things that could happen here. Looking like the micro is surviving here, guys. Looking like the micro is surviving a bit. Up as soon as I said something. She heard me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. You right. Yeah, she heard me. She heard me. This is really being respected right here, no? Can we see a new high from right here? Alright guys, I don't know where this can go, but I'm here for it, so. It would be lovely if we could test these highs here. Remember, I think you need 150 for winning days per pay. Yep. Top step, lowered the bar a little bit, 150 for a payout. I'm still trying to aim for 200 personally. But yeah, 150 for payouts. Would have been a really expert ad there if I had the balls to do it. 5-minute engulfing. Yeah, I wanna see that push up a little bit. Very nice. Break even didn't get hit. Excellent. Should have added, but it's okay. We're just starting this. We're just starting this thing. Alright, don't reject right here. If it rejects right here, that's kind of bad news. But kind of bad news bears if it rejects right here. That means we're probably respecting this little demand zone right here. But yes, beautiful. Easy breezy, beautiful. Cover girl. Just don't go under the 150 and ooh. Oh, she wants to give me more, guys. She's giving me more. I'm closing.
Order filled.
Cool, 250. 250 on that one. Not too bad. 4 micros. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Now watch it start to skyrocket now. Almost a 1 to 3. Didn't hold the whole position there, but almost 3R. Yeah, I'm getting out right there. Let me get out right there. Nice, bro. In at the same time. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I wish I had the nuts to really add to that position. I really did, but you know, it is what it is. Now go work out. You, God damn it, guys, come on. No, we're gonna add. We're gonna keep trading. What are you doing? Stop making me do good habits. You know what, Dora? That's actually a good idea. We're gonna lock it up. I love how all of y'all said the same. They're like, now go work out, lock it up, leave it alone. I feel y'all. I feel you. You know what? We're gonna do this right here. I'm done with the market today. You happy now, fellas? You happy now, boys and girls? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, we're done there, guys. Really wish I would have added there. It was like kind of like, yeah, come on, add. But nah, that 1 micro did its job. That one micro did its job. So far we are undefeated in the new funded account. This is still technically more money than what most people will see in a day. So, right? You know what I'm saying? You can't be. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Like you can't all. You can't be. You can't be like that. Have a great day. I'm out. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, no problem, Sniper. Brando Sniper. Good job. Good job. That is my piece of the market. Send my little screenshots to prove to people that I actually trade. And yeah. Absolutely, Brando, Sniper Brando. We're treating this like it's money. 250, yeah, that's who you know making 250 to $300. I mean, it's possible. Don't get me wrong. That's definitely still salary money, but it's a pretty penny. Not too many people are making $250 in a day. I have a pretty decent job, and it's not that much. So yeah, I'll be here. I'm gonna let the stream rock for a couple more minutes, but I may call this a stream. But I'm still here though. I just want to see how price action kind of plays out. Short time, yeah. I can once again, so I can definitely see it because I was playing this at first. Let me mark it up on NQ. I was gonna play this at first right here. So this was like your 1, 2. Shit, my bad. This was like your 1, 2. Here's your 3. I don't know why this shit is so big, but here's your 3. Move origin right here. We didn't respect it, but if we can see some more bearish movement, then we might be able to push down. The only problem is like now officially every moving average is kind of like moving to the upside. And that's the only reason why I'm not really entertaining shorts. Why I didn't entertain shorts right here. Like if it didn't do it right here, I'd be like, ugh. So is it possible? Yeah. But this could have been your 4 right here, 5 at this level here. So if you wanted to see a short, I kind of like how enthusiastic that little drive down is. So you could see something like this. Stops are a little wide, but you could see something like that. Not my bag though. The one micro that could, baby. Good luck, Sir Sucker. Let me look at this again. Yeah. So at this point, I'll be honest, I personally would have left shorts alone. Yeah, I would personally leave shorts alone, but it's your trade. It's your trade. We're all here to see our ideas and see if they want to play through or not. But I would love a pump down right here, because technically speaking, we took some major levels right here. Do sellers want to defend this a little bit? Maybe just a little bit, and we can see a pop down from right here, from this little demand supply zone. Still possible. This is damning though. This little bullish engulfing. So yeah, Brando Sniper, this is kind of why I like to play those engulfing patterns on the 5, while I'm always going back and forth between the 1 and the 5. I'd like to see when these 5-minute closes, it gives me a little bit of sentiment of where direction wants to go. So once I saw this on the 5 and it retraced down, probably should have added right here. Let me see this right here. Probably should have added right here, especially since my stop was right here too. Probably should have added right here, open up stop to this candle low. And look what we got. So that would have been, I mean, if I had the nuts to do it, but I was so happy with my win. It's like yeah, I don't really need too much more than that. Anyway, back to MNQ. I will tell you this though, I have to do a better job at leaving runners though. I gotta do a better job at that, because I closed that last runner like somewhere around here. Yeah, I closed that last runner somewhere, yeah, like right here, when I should probably still be in the trade, but it is what it is. This is what the ICT boys would call spooling. So hit this little fair value guy. Literally everything should be respected if you want to remain bullish. You said 728. Yeah, I feel you. How you doing, King? Medicine Man. Hey, what's up, man? I haven't heard your name in a while. What's up, dude? And or madam, but most likely, dude. What's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. We're having a decent day today. Would have been an even better day if I would have got out of my emotions and added right here. But you know what I'm saying? It's good enough. So I was predicting longs here. So as you can see, I took my trade off right here. We kind of did our business already. I believe one of the viewers here is going short at this level, which doesn't look too bad of a play. This SMA, the 1 minute looks a little expanded, so we may want to see the two lovers start to kiss each other just a little bit. How far it wants to go, I don't know. But we're kind of disrespecting this now, and I want to see if it's true, it should pop down like right now. This was something that the old heads at Top Step used to tell me: escalator up, elevator down. So if you're shorting, short should be like kind of fast and furious. Little pullback right here. Now I want to see it like dump. I don't want to. There's no waiting around for it. So yeah, I took the same long on demo. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Very good. 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 Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let me see. Took the same long on demo. Nice. Nice. Oh, the one micro that could. It's all good. We'll get it back tomorrow. And then the next day. 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 And the next day. And the next day. And the next day. And the next day. Then the next day. Why did this fool start this meeting? All hail the coffee, guys. If I didn't have the coffee, I wouldn't have been able to do it. I ran outside of my apartment I was like, oh man, I ain't got no coffee. Nah, let me run out real quick. I'm getting some coffee. There's no way. I had a little bit of wine last night too. Like, nah, I need to give me a little bit of coffee here, guys. A little bit of energy. Hey yo, so hey market makers, what y'all doing? We should be going short here, bro. I need everybody that's shorting in this area to like defend your position like right now. Right now. Let me call my people. Let me call my crud. Sorry, it's a second. They didn't wanna answer my phone. I'm not important enough. Let me call ICT, he'll do it. If there's one, I mean, he controls the market. He controls he controls all this shit. So let me call, I don't live too far from ICT either. So, you know what I'm saying? I could just drive up there real quick. Oh boy, I need to get a disclaimer. Tell your Chinese whales. Yeah, I'm calling the folks at Alibaba right now. I got you. They're about to do it right now. There's no way we take these highs without seeing a dump first. That means everybody here is winning? No sir. Go ahead and dump for my boy. Yeah, like that. I need more though. Defend your position. What's that rich Chinese guy's name? I think he owns Alibaba or something. Come on, let's go. Come down for my boy. Wait a minute, hold up. 3 candles. 3 candles and it didn't break. This might be it. Kind of got like this little smooth action right here. This might be it. 1, 2, 3. A lot of times when you get like this little 3 candle thingamajig, it tends to go a little bit lower. We're expanding on the SMA too. Here we go. I need an extra express dump. You might just get it here. I kind of like how this looks for a short range. Or look, a nice little quick pop down to the downside. Nothing to hold, but maybe at least give you enough to like maybe be a little bit in profit or maybe de-risk a little bit. I don't know how far it wants to go down, but I can see. I mean, 690s would be lovely, right? Kind of like 690s. I think that's all. I think that's all Alibaba can give you. All right, little rounding right there. 1, 2, 3. Come on, escalator down. I mean, elevator down. This SMA is kind of expanded too. Yeah, I like it. Come on, prove that I know market structure. Let's go. I'm gonna place myself in a brief mute, guys, but I will be right here. Damn, you want 572? Man, you asking for a lot. Yeah, you asking for a lot for 572. Like I said, I can help you out with 690. Anything more than that, I don't know, bro.
out in the ground.
Yeah, so sucker. The best I told you the best I can do was like 690s, bro. So that was the best I can do. You got him next time, champ. Alrighty, people, I'm gonna call it a day right here. Everybody stay safe. Don't be a trading degenerate. My time is done here. I've done what I needed to do. So, yeah, please stay safe. There's another trading day coming around the corner. See ya.